All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this crusty 8.75 axle up. Got a wire wheel, it's actually over there. And then if that doesn't work, I have a flapper disc I can put on the grinder. But I think the wire wheel should get a decent amount off, and then we'll coat it. And yeah. Okay, this is as far as I'm gonna sand. I got all the big chunks off. No point making it perfect. So now I'm gonna spray it with alcohol, wipe it down, and paint. Here it is. Much better. So I ended up doing 2 light coats of Rust-Oleum Satin Black, and then 1 thick coat of bed liner, and then 1, I guess, standard coat of automotive clear. So it should hold up all right. Much better than what we started with. I'll put a before and after picture up. And I can't remember if I put this in the last video or not, because I have so many parts coming and all the shipments are all over the place, but I did get a email confirmation from ECGS. My diffs are on the way, so excited to get this in the truck. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.